Hey everyone, welcome to our next giveaway. If you're new here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I do wig reviews, wig tutorials, hair loss chats, sometimes other product reviews. I just love to share with my wig sisters, hair loss sisters, and other sisters great things that I think will enhance your life, mainly wigs. And today we're doing a giveaway. I do at least one giveaway every month, but I'm committed through the end of the year to do as many giveaways as I can, maybe even one a week. I'm kind of working through that right now. All of this stuff is really time consuming. I may not get one every week, but I'm going to do everything I can to get at least multiple giveaways done every month through the end of the year. So here we are with another giveaway. The wig on my head is Raquel Welch Trendsetter in the color Glazed Hazelnut. This is a basic cap wig with lots of volume and lots of permatease. Now, I like to give away wigs. This was sent to me by a wig sister a long time ago. I have a box. I seriously have like hair fibers in my eyes right now, so please pardon me. I'm trying to find them, but I can't seem to grasp it. I can only see it. Anyway, I occasionally have wig sisters send me wigs. They donate them to me for a variety of reasons. For me, sometimes people donate wigs that they think I will love, and just as a gift because of all I do for the hair loss community. Sometimes people send them to me so I can have a wig to do tutorials and education with. Sometimes people send them to me so I can sell them because this isn't free. What I do isn't free. I do get sent wigs, but lots of what I do costs money, and that helps me to finance this so I can bring you guys more content. And sometimes they send wigs to me to donate or do giveaways. And a lot of times it's just they tell me do whatever I want with them. This was one of those. I was sent and I was told I could do whatever I wanted with it, and what I want to do is give it away. So if you would like to try a wig like this, I'm going to show you how it looks with the headband, because I know that some of you are looking at the volume on this one and thinking, oh my gosh, I could never do that. Well, sometimes a big, voluminous, heavy permatease wig like this can be fun to play with. Headbands, bandanas would be super cute around this. A winter hat, if you're looking for a wig to wear with a hat with just a little bit of hair poking out, super cute. But I think there's lots of styling options with this one. If you would like to try this, please go down to the description below. Just drop it down and you will find a link to Rafflecopter, and that's where you register for this giveaway. Please do not be scammed. There are so many scams out there right now, and one of them is putting a comment. So let's say you comment on this video, the scammer will comment with a fake account they created using my picture, and somewhere in there will be my name, so you will think it's me, and they'll ask you to go somewhere to claim your prize. Go to Telegram, go to a different app, send them your phone number, text WhatsApp. I mean, there's so many ways that they do this to try to steal from you. If you win a giveaway of mine, I will email you from my email address, which is heywigsister@gmail.com. I will never make you go anywhere else. I will never make you contact me any other way. I will email you. That is why I use Rafflecopter, because that way I get your email address and I can respond to you directly. So just give me your name and email address through Rafflecopter and you'll be registered for this giveaway. All the rest of the details will be down in the description. I do this because I love you guys so much. I love the community that we're building. I want to help my wig sisters more than anything. If I were wealthy, I would I would do so much to make sure every woman who wants hair has hair. We're not wealthy, so this is what I can do. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're not already subscribed, I would ask you to consider subscribing. That helps my channel so much, and it helps your wig sisters and others find what they're looking for when they do searches, because YouTube will recommend my channel if they think it's valuable, and they think it's valuable because you watch it, you like it, you comment on it, and you subscribe. All right, you guys, good luck if you decide to register for this giveaway. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will talk to you in my next video.